Well, the man police say is responsible for killing a beloved store owner on Clifford Avenue was sentenced in court today. Tony Brown faces 23 years in prison for shooting the owner. Leah Mallory was there in court today for the emotional victim statements, and she brings you the latest.
An outpour of support in court today for Ali Salah, the minimart owner who was killed in March, discovered behind his counter with several gunshot wounds. The suspect, Tony Brown, was sentenced today, 23 years behind bars with 5 years supervised post-release. We spoke to the prosecutor for the case.
I believe that this is a fair amount of time that he's going to be in custody, and it can never bring back Ali, but he was able to admit to it, and I think that that's one of the hardest things for families, even after trials. The defendant never actually says if they did it, and that's one thing that Ali's family will have, the certainty.
In the courtroom, Salah's widow cried while delivering her victim statement, sharing that she heard the gunshots on that day and prayed they weren't from the store, Santa Food Market. Police said Brown likely shot Salah in retaliation after a dispute with one of his associates a few days earlier. His death left the community stunned.
Oh, I knew him since I was a kid. Yeah. You know, he was a good guy. He was always looking out for the community and stuff, you know. Anytime you needed something for your family, he'll look out for you.
In court, Salah's wife said they last spoke about how excited he was to break the Ramadan fast together and play with their daughter, followed by the prosecutor who read statements on behalf of Salah's parents who cannot attend. They said in a letter, "We write with hearts shattered and souls broken beyond repair, that Salah was their only child, sole support, their comfort, hope, joy, and future."
Tony Brown was asked by the judge if he wanted to say anything in court, to which he said no. Judge Randall then said, "Why does this happen to someone where it doesn't appear to be any real motive for the killing? That's probably the most disturbing aspect of the case." Reporting outside the Hall of Justice, Leah Mallory, News 8.
Get the Rochester First streaming app today for everything you love from News 8 On Demand, plus exclusive shows you won't see anywhere else. Search ROC and download for free on Roku, Amazon Fire, and Apple TV.